my goodness, it's the first time that I'm doing a video in this room. Oh my god, I'm just so excited to just catch you dolls up on things going on. For those of you who know, I have moved houses. I have my own apartment and it's new, everything's new. We're like, it's just everything newness, like new stuff going on. So I just wanted to do like a catch-up video. I've got hair in my eyes, oh my god. But yes, hair is just getting in my eyes. Fix that issue with the hair in my eyes is gonna get on my nerves. But anyway, I'm back. So yes, for those of you who know, I've moved apartments, everything's new. I have this new background, like this new room, like everything is different. Where I'm sitting now is about to be like a walk-in closet, like my second walk-in closet. And really just like my YouTube room and my filming backdrop. That's what I wanted this area to be. And the chair I'm sitting on, you know what? Let's go on the quick break, the intro. Let's do the intro and then I'll get back to you. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, grab your water, and let's get started, dolls. Let's go.
My whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life ain't a ding-dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
I'm back. Okay, so the chair I'm sitting on, I was going to do a video of it, like just talking about it. Like this whole video is actually just catching you dolls up with my apartment and decoration and plans that I have and videos coming up. So this video is just a catch-up video. But because it's a catch-up video, I'm going to tell you about everything. So I got this chair, and by the way, I'm filming in natural light. I love that about my new place. Like, I love the fact I have so many areas where natural light is coming in. I just love that. I've always wanted natural light. But anyway, so the chair that I'm sitting on is from Goodwill. Can you believe it? Like, let me tell you, dolls, I prayed and manifested. And I wanted, like, I was about to buy a $500 chase. I literally wanted a chase. And I got it. I feel like I need to do a story time video about my chase. Like that's because it's a whole nother video. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a story time of how I manifested this because it's a long video. Like it's not a long video, but it's like, it's an interesting story and it needs a video of its own. But anyway, I'm going to catch you up on things that I've got in my apartment so far. This video is going to be a catch-up video. Things that I've gotten in my apartment, things that I'm going to get, little steps and progressions we've made so far. I feel like I need to do a whole video. Like the tour was one thing, and if you haven't watched the tour, go and watch it, dolls. You need to catch up. If not, you're way behind on my apartment, you know, like decoration, like vlogs. I'm going to be doing a clean with me this week. I'm going to be filming it. I don't know when I'm posting it because I have a lot to clean inside here. I like to keep my apartment smelling fresh and clean all the time. I'm going to be doing a full decorating video. Like my stuff is coming in. I already have a lot of stuff for fall, but more stuff is coming in and I'm so excited to decorate this year because I just can't wait to show you. I've done all the DIY, so I'm going to be using those pieces as well. And what else? So yeah, I'm currently sitting on a thrifted chair and it's $25. This gorgeous tufted velvet chair is $25, 25 Benjamins, right? I think that's what they are. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to be doing a video just explaining that. It's probably going to be like a 10-minute video or less. It's going to be short, but I feel like it needs a video of its own. Like, I am just, everyone's been blowing me up and going crazy. Like, where did you get from? Blah, blah, blah. Like, it's been a lot. Like, it's been a weekend. It's been such an amazing weekend. So I'm going to show you like little things I got. Like this just came in today. Oh, dolls, I'm going to be changing all my light switches to this. I'm gonna have close-up so you can see this. It's so, here it is. It's this light switch cover. I bought this off of Amazon, and it's got like this kind of old school vibe to it. I forgot what they called it, but it's like gives me Regency vibes, but it also gives me like Art Deco, the 20s kind of look, and I just love it. It fits my whole golden pink aesthetic, and it was the perfect light switch. I was going to get rhinestoned or mirrored light switches, but rhinestone is just too easy. Everyone seems to have things like that, so I want to do something that's very unique, and here it is. I can't wait to put this. Absolutely, I just want to catch you up on, like, I guess the mental side of moving and just living on my own for once is just, it's different. I'll say it's different. Living as a woman is very scary too. You know, like, it's scary, but it's like I have peace at the same time. I have all my space. I can walk around naked. I have all my space to myself. I don't have to, like, you know, like be in someone's space. I can just lay my stuff out and not worry about, you know, people inconveniencing someone else. So I love that. It's just my own palace and my own world, and I run my own world, and I love it. It just makes me feel like, and know that I find it hard to live with other people, because people get on your nerves very easily. And it's like I have my set ways of how I like to run home and run things. So living on my own is just the best feeling ever. I feel so at peace. I don't know if you've noticed, but I feel like I'm glowing from within. Lately, I've been eating a lot of junk food. It's the stress of moving. No one told me that moving is so stressful. Like, and I'm not talking about decorating. I'm talking about just moving boxes, moving clothes. Some of my clothes are just still not here. So it's like I'm wearing the same things on and on. That is stressful. Moving is stressful. It's adjusting to a schedule. So I've been eating carbohydrates. And when I mean eating dirty, I've been having McDonald's, pizzas, rice, just not caring, Coke, Sprite, junk food. Sorry, I keep looking there because I keep thinking someone was there, like I heard noise. But Coke, junk food, I've just been eating like a crazy person. And this week I hope to mend that. I'm going to make soup tonight. I'm going to eat healthy. I'm going to get a salad. I'm starting to do healthy grocery shopping because there's no excuse anymore. I'm trying to drink more water, but I feel like I've gained weight. But everyone's telling me I've lost weight. I don't know. Do I look like I've gained weight, or do I look like I've lost weight? But I guess if I have lost weight, from what people are saying, it's stress weight. Like, even though I'm eating junk food, I'm moving around a lot more than usual. And then I'm also stressed from just moving and like packing things around. So it's a lot. So without further ado, let me show you dolls my plans for my apartment and what we're going to be doing here in the next few months. It's going to be a really quick video, but I just want to catch you dolls up. This is part of the new plan, the background. I love it here. But yes, I'm going to catch you dolls up, so let's go. Let me show you. See, this is going to be like my filming area. I'm going to have shelves right there, like going around the room, and it's going to have my heels stacked. For now, this is going to be there, but I'm going to be doing my lookbooks here, filming videos in this corner, all kinds of stuff, because the lighting is perfect. Natural light comes in from this corner, comes in right into this area. So that's what this area is going to be. It's going to be a filming area. And yes, this whole chair is $25. I told you, dolls, stay tuned for the story time because it's unbelievable. The living room is a bit messy. There's a lot going on in here, so please, please, please ignore it. I've got packages and stuff down there. But my plans for the kitchen, let me put on the light really quickly. Speaking of light, can you imagine? I have like ones coming for 2, but can you imagine how gorgeous this is going to be here? Oh my goodness. You know what? Let me show you it on the other one. Hold on. Let me show you it here. How freaking gorgeous is this going to look? Oh my God. So Regency. It looks like an upscale hotel style. Okay, so let me show you my plans for the kitchen. So I love my kitchen. You know what? It's going to look bomb here as well. Do you see with the gold? Oh, love it. But I probably would change the kitchen ones to be mirrored instead of this. I feel like this should be around the house, but I feel for the kitchen this should be mirrored. Okay, let me show you. So this up here, you know how I was saying that my coffee bar will be right here? I'm thinking keep this wall as a candy bar instead of a coffee bar. Tell me what you guys think, but I'm strongly believing that. And basically I'm going to get a table sitting here that's going to have assorted pink only candy inside it, like pink gummy bears and all that kind of stuff, and pink lollipops, pink M&Ms, pink Starburst, that type of stuff sitting on there. Like, that's what I'm planning to do. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Okay, ignore my sink, it's messy. And the living room's a bit messy. We have Nebula sitting there. So yeah, do you want to be part of the vlog? Are you sure? Do you want to be in the vlog? Nebula, do you want to be in the vlog? Do you want to be in the vlog? Pour. Okay, I guess not. So all of this here is about to change. So I have this lampshade that, no, not this lampshade. I have this lamp that I bought from the thrift store as well. From the thrift store. Goodwill just keep coming with the good stuff. So it's like a brass lamp. It's a very antique lamp. It had a shade with it, but the shade was too vintage for me. And when I mean too vintage, it was kind of also dirty, so it didn't go with this. This looks like it's been through years and it stayed really good. So I ordered a lamp from this shop in the UK, from Manchester. So for my country, not my city, but Manchester is like next door to London. But I got from this seller, her name is, well, her store is called My Dollhouse Decor. I'm going to have all that information down below. And I'm going to have a picture on the screen of the exact one that I got. But I got this cute, like, tall lamp, and it's so stunning. It reminds me of Regency, old Hollywood glam, Marilyn Monroe, like, you know, like Anna Nicole Smith type of vibes. It's going to be on here and it's going to look so gorgeous with my couch because it's pink and with the gold, and I just can't wait for it to come. I'm going to tag her. Her lamps are worth it. They're pricey, but they are worth every single penny. And it's only pricey because, well, to me personally, it's only pricey to me because of the shipping to America. Other than that, it's a unique lamp. You're never going to find it anywhere else. So go and buy one. I sent you. Tell her I sent you. So anyway, over here, this is all going to change. So all you see here, that was just to throw on the wall. That's not going to stay there. This flower wall that I'm about to work on, this mini flower framed picture frame. Sorry, the light is coming in. I don't know if you can see this. This is all going to be done. I'm going to spray paint this either gold or I'm going to have rhinestones. I'm wondering what to have in the middle, whether to have my name or a pretty saying, or I don't know what's going to be in the middle of this, but I'm working on that. That's going to be a DIY video, so stay tuned for that. But that is going to go in smack in the middle. I'm going to change these two here, and they're going to be these gorgeous, like, chandelier style scones. So it's not going to be these. These are going to move to my room. The couch will stay the same for now until I buy a different type of couch. But news, guess what just happened? Wait, before I tell you that, I'm also going to have, what's it called? Some sheer, I finally decided for this room, I'm going to have these huge sheer curtains, just like, so the natural light can still come in, but I want to have curtains. So these like see-through sheer curtains just coming in to the room, like literally draped across the floor. And you're going to see it, dolls. But anyway, back to the excitement. I bought, guess what I just bought? The first chandelier that's going to go here. So it's going to hang right from there. They're going to open that up and it's going to drop all the way down and it's going to be like right there. So when people come in here and take pictures, it's going to look gorgeous in here. Let me turn round to face this wall here. I still don't know what's going to go on this wall yet. Possibly a TV. Dog cage over there, ignore. And the dog's right there. I don't know if this wall is naked for now. I don't know what to put here. I don't know whether to paint it. I might paint it pink. I don't know. So I really don't know what's going to go there. And I don't know what this dog is doing in this corner. She just loves this corner. She likes getting sun. That's what it is, I guess so. Do you like the sun? Hello? Anyone home? Anyone home? But yes, so yeah, and then outside on my patio, I'm thinking right here, there's going to be this green wall and a chandelier on the patio. Yes, my patio is about to be extra, and some white furniture. The patio is not going to be too pink because I don't want people knowing it's a woman who lives here from the outside, if that makes sense. Bathroom, I really don't know what to do with my bathroom yet. I think I'm going to paint it pink. This big mirror here has to go. I don't like this mirror. It's massive though, but I don't like the mirror. It doesn't fit my theme. I'm going to get maybe 2 gold mirrors that are big. I don't know yet what to do with the bathroom, to be honest with you, but I'm going to paint it. A lot is going to change in here, but so far, you know, it's life. My closet, my first closet, I don't know what to do with it. It's just, a lot is going on in here. I have a lot of clothes that have not even arrived. Like, it's just, I don't know what to do with this closet. So, no, I know what to do. It's just a lot going on and I'm not ready to face it right now. This is the room I don't come in. I just don't walk into my closet. I avoid it at all costs because it's driving me insane what to do with it. But we're going to be adding more shelves. I said that in my first video showing my apartment. So we're going to be adding more shelves. I'm wondering whether to have this mannequin just here with whatever outfit I choose to have on it, or add more shelves in there as well. I'm still confused what to do with that corner. But and I'm thinking of having like a chandelier, like I'm definitely going to have a chandelier at the top hanging all the way down as well. So this is a 3rd chandelier in here in this house, and I'm going to have like a chandelier style wall scone inside the middle right there, or maybe in all of them down to the bottom. So I don't know. I really don't know what to do in here, but it's going to be gorgeous in the next few months. That's all I know. And there we have it, dolls, a little apartment update video. I just want to update you, dolls, on my plans and so far things that I've done for my apartment so far since you've seen it. There's going to be so much going on in the next few weeks and months. It's going to get crazy in here. It's going to look like a whole different place. As you can see, there's little changes so far, even with just this chair. So I can't wait. My chandelier is on its way. I can't wait. I'm going to take you, dolls, along for every process, even installing chandeliers and lighting and stuff like that, and painting. So thank you so much for watching, dolls. Thank you for supporting me on my channel. Always give this video a big fat thumbs up. Always share my video, like my video, comment. I love to hear what you dolls have to say. I love reading you dolls this comment, and I will see you dolls in my next video. Smooches, love you dolls, bye.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm planned to come true. Done my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, ding dong, ding dong, ding boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Oh, ding dong, ding dong, boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Oh, life, ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 shaboom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, and I ding dong, planned to come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far.